Hi, in this video we're changing the Serpentine belt on Audi A4 B6 1.9 TDI. This is the Serpentine belt. This is over there. The bolt is the tensioner. We need to release the tensioner so that we can remove the belt. There is another belt on the bottom which drives the AC compressor. We have to remove that belt first because it's on the way to remove the other belt. To release the tension on the AC belt, there's two bolts which are T40 Torx. You need to loosen them and then the tensioner will release. Now we remove the serpentine belt. This is the routing of the two belts. Now we're putting the new belt. It's a very tight space, but it's just enough to put it on. First we start at the bottom, we put the belt on the bottom, and then we go at the end, we go to the top of the car and put the belt there. That's it, the belt is done. Next we put on the AC compressor belt. In order to tighten the tensioner we use a wrench, and while the belt is tightened we just tighten the bolts with T40 Torx. After we tighten the two bolts, we're done. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.